Hi, welcome everyone. I'm Gautam from MG Wealth Day Trader. So today let's see what are the stocks we have added in our watch list and how it have performed in the volume profile and in our levels. Okay. So let's see one by one. So this is the Nifty chart. So today Nifty opened inside the yesterday's high and low. So let's mark volume profile for the yesterday's trade. So let's mark the POC first. So this is the POC here, and let's mark the value area low and the value area high here. Okay, the market opened outside the value area low, sorry, and it came inside the value area. We are waiting for this movement, and we have waited for to take a short trade near the POC, but the market didn't have a strong rejection near the POC. Instead, it went above the value area. So let's mark this level for tomorrow's trade. If the market retraces back to this 17,000 to 17,050, so we can take a long trade here. We will be having a good trade near this POC level. So there is no trade in the volume profile in the Nifty chart. Okay, but the market went up. We should wait for the tomorrow's trade or the next coming session, because if the market is trending in one side, we should wait for the retracement and where it is most likely to come in the future. Okay, so the first stock is the Gujarat Gas. So let's mark yesterday's volume profile. So you can clearly see the market open above the yesterday's high and above the value area zone, and during the first half an hour of the trade, market fall down drastically down below the value area. So in this we have to notice this volume cluster which is below the value area. So first of all, I hide the chart and I will show you the volume cluster here. So this is the next major volume cluster below the value area. Okay, so I unhide the chart. So you can clearly see the market retraced to this volume cluster and have a rejection in this place. Okay, so we have took a long trade here around 630 to 632. So at the point of entry, the ATR value is 6 points. We have maintained almost 6 to 10 point stop loss, and our target is the POC level. So POC is, you always know, it is a point of attraction, it is a point of control. So we have booked 10 points profit. Okay, so 632 to 642, and it went up much higher than yesterday's high. So we are doing an intraday trade, so we should maintain a stop loss and we should book our profit which is necessary to us. Okay, so the next stock is Kumkum India. So first I draw the profile for yesterday's trade. So profile will be looking like this. So same as the Gujarat Gas, market opened above the value area but inside the yesterday's high, and the same as the Gujarat Gas, in the first 30 to 45 minutes market came below the value area low and it retraced back to the POC level. So this is the very important place, this place. So this is the very important place. We have to take a short trade here, and we have taken the short trade here in this candle. So at the point of entry, the ATR value is 5 points. We have maintained the stop loss around 6 to 7 point stop loss, because it is retraced, it is rejected strongly at the POC. and we have booked almost 10 points profit from this place. Okay. So the next stock is Hind Copper. So let's draw the profile for yesterday's trade. It is also open inside the yesterday's high and low, but outside the value area. So this is the value area low. This is the POC level. So we waited for this POC level, but it retraced at the very end of the market. So we didn't take any trade. If the market tomorrow opens anywhere inside the value area and it strongly rejected at the POC, we can take a short trade here. Or else if the market opened inside the value area and break the this high, I mark this place. If the market opened inside the value area and break this high, and if it retraces back to the POC, we can take the long trade here. So today we didn't take any trade in the Hind Copper. We should avoid these kinds of trade. So this is also same as the Hind Copper. So this stock is Star. It is a pharma stock. So this is also open below the value area low, and like the Hind Copper, it is also retraced at the very end of the market timing, near to the close time. So it retraces at the value area low. If the market further retraces back to the POC, we can take a trade on tomorrow. So let's see what happens in the upcoming session. So the next stock is a Delta Corp. So first of all, I delete all this one. So in the Delta Corp, I draw the profile first. So like the Gujarat Gas, but it is way different from the Gujarat Gas because it opened higher and came down. So this is opening at the lower price. So it opened below the value area low, but here we want to notice something. So here is one of the it is having a volume cluster at the very low of the yesterday's trade. I am going to mark this low. So you see, in this volume cluster, the market made a strong rejection. So we can say it is a doji. So whenever the doji comes or a pin bar comes, there is a strong trend reversal happening. So this is a strong low. So market reversed at this point. We have taken a long trade and we have booked the profit near to the POC. We have booked the profit nearer to the 266 points. So we have taken trade at 259. We booked at 266. We trial the stop loss. So at this point of entry, the stop loss is 3 points. So we maintained the 3-point stop loss exactly because we have taken the trade at very low. So we have maintained 3-point stop loss. We trial that 3-point stop loss and we have booked the profit near 266. So almost 6 to 7 points profit. 6 to 7 points means in the stock price of 200, 250. So 6 to 7 point means it is more than a 2%. Okay. So the next stock is Indigo. So let's draw profile for this. So market open inside the value area nearer to the POCs as well. So we waited for the stock to get retraced at this value area low, but it didn't have a strong rejection or any sideways action near this higher low. So we didn't take any trade in this stock, and it is going up. I can say it will fill this gap, and if it is came down to this level, we can take a trade in this level. So 2155 to 65. So this is a support zone. The next support zone will be this POC level. So the price might retrace to the 2155 to 65 zone, and it may go up. So we didn't take any trade based on the volume profile. There is no trade in this stock. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video till the very end. So if you have any doubts, feel free to contact us. Always maintain the stop loss like I'm saying in every video, always maintain the stop loss and book the profit which is very necessary for you. And we are taking a classes based on this volume profile and the price action theory, and we will be teaching more about how to select the stock, how to filter the stocks for the intraday trade, and how to how to mark the volume cluster zone, and where to take. So basically everyone has this question, so whether I want to go for a long trade or a short trade. So we will be taking the full-fledged volume profile classes, and if you are interested, enroll your name, or you just text us. We have given the number in the description box. So we will be taking classes in the weekends. Okay, thank you for watching this video. So we will be meeting on the tomorrow's video. Thank you.